me, I'm Geprek. I am from Indonesia, and we have a new car made by Dodge. I bought it in for the dealer. This car has been produced since 2008, and which may stop production in 2023. Yeah. The interesting about the car is that this car has been a famous film. That's right. From the film Fast and Furious. Yeah, I modified this car. A few parts of the car, starting from the lights to the rear of the body. Yeah, I modified so that more elegant and attractive. Yeah, and also we painting the car with the color black and white. So beautiful. How about we try comfort and speed of the car? Agreed? Great! Let's start driving. Watching until the end. Wait some Geprek for the next video.